If you're concerned that your baby's legs are weaker than they should be, and you want some exercises that you can do to strengthen your baby's legs because your baby is unable to bear their body weight in standing, then you're in the right place at the right time watching the right video. In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 different exercises that you can do for baby that are non-weight exercises, because you're going to do them with baby lying flat on their back, and they're going to be used to help to strengthen your baby's legs in preparation for the more challenging exercises such as squatting and lunges. If you're new to my channel, my name is Cherrick and I've been a pediatric physical therapist and a developmental interventionist for over 25 years. Today, I want to ask you to do a couple of things. 1, subscribe to this channel if you find this video helpful. Also, hit the notification button so that you can be notified whenever I release a new video. And also share this video with anyone that you feel who has a baby and their baby has weak legs and would benefit from videos like this. Okay? Strengthening exercises for a baby that cannot bear their body weight. Let's say you hold your baby up like this with your hands around baby's trunk. You put them to stand and their knees buckle. Their knees are buckling. They can't take their body weight. And the baby is 6, 7, 8 months old. So this means that their legs are too weak. At this age, your baby should be able to maintain their body weight with their knees straight and without you having to literally hold them up. So let's put baby lying flat on her back. And I'm going to show you one of my favorite exercises. Now this exercise is called a lying leg press. So what I want you to do, put your baby to lie flat on the ground. And in this exercise, you can use, if baby doesn't like being flat on their back. Some babies don't like being flat on their back. You can use a cushion and put your baby so that the baby is propped up at kind of like a 45 degree like this. I like to start off with baby lying flat on their back. So if you have your baby lying flat on their back, you can take their feet, hold one foot in each of your hands, bend baby's knees like you're trying to push the knees up towards baby's chest. And then as you are straightening those knees, those legs, you tell baby, push, push. And every time you do it, you say push. Eventually, baby will get the idea of what it is you're trying to do. This is an exercise that is not going to work right away. In the beginning, your baby's going to have no idea what it is that you want from her. So you want to do it a couple of different times. What you can do is start off where you bend, have the knees kind of almost straight. Give baby a little bit of resistance, like you're actually trying to cue baby to push, 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 push. And eventually, what will happen is this. Boom. And you will know when baby has gotten this exercise and they know what they're doing, and make sure you cheer them on and reward them when they go boop, and the body kind of scoots that way. That's your indication that their legs are getting stronger. It's not going to happen right away, but as you're doing it, you will start to see it working just a little bit, and your baby will get it. This is a really great activity. The third exercise is single leg press. What you want to do is leave one leg down flat on the ground and just bend one knee, push it up towards the chest, and then cue baby to push with that leg. Sometimes I like to put my hand under baby's feet, on baby's foot like that, and guide baby with use my other hand on the knee and guide baby into that leg press, giving a little bit of resistance. You want to give enough resistance so the baby feels it, but not enough to stop the movement. Or if once baby's leg is strong enough, you can stop the movement, make your arm firm, and let baby push and kind of slide herself backwards along the ground. Baby should be able to overcome the friction on the ground and be able to slide herself backwards. So the next exercise would be to do what's called the bicycle. So the bicycle means you just kind of moving baby's legs, playing with baby's legs, and what you're doing is you're trying to get baby to start using their legs individually. This is a great activity to work on strengthening each leg individually. And you want to pay attention to both legs and make sure that they are both have the same amount of strength. So that's the second one. So the fourth great exercise that I like to do, and this one to strengthen baby's legs, but this one focuses more on baby's buttocks. What you can do is bend baby's knees like this. The buttocks would typically still be on the ground. And if you trap the baby's feet at your knees and take your hands under baby's bottom and cue baby to lift their bottom up in this position. You'll typically see the arms kind of spread out to the side as baby finds their stability. And if you cue baby, and again, this is kind of like the leg press, it will take a bit of time for baby to understand what it is you want them to do, and eventually she will start to do it on her own. You go, whoop, good job, whoop, good job, whoop, good job, and let baby do some bridging exercises. That's what these exercises are called. They're called bridging exercises, and they work really great for the hip muscles and buttock muscles. So those were some non-weight bearing exercises to help to strengthen baby's legs. I'll ask you to drop a comment below and let me know which of these exercises you found the most beneficial to your baby and which one your baby felt the most comfortable using. Okay, that's all for today, my friends. I'll talk to you soon.